Oh my gosh, the time is finally here. I am so excited. This just showed up after just a hair over a week and a half. This showed up on my door, and it is from Corbin. If you guys know, remember I had a video a couple weeks ago where I was actually talking about which seat I should order, because this stock garbage seat right here with a double bump, it just digs in your back and so bad. If you're looking at getting a 2016, 2017, 2018 Grom, the first thing you gotta, one of the first things you gotta do is get a new seat. You will understand this double bump is awful. They made it with the newer SF models, and it completely digs into your backside. I'm telling you, your tailbone and everything's gonna hurt so bad, like you've been ridden all night long. So we're having a lot of fun here, and I decided we do a little bit of quick unboxing, put it on the thing, see what she looks like, and then I'll actually do a little bit of a motor vlog at the end and let you actually see what actually feels like when you're actually on the road riding it. So here we go. I went and already cut the stuff, pulled a lot of the foamy stuff out for you, so that way we can take a good look at it a lot faster. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my god, and by the way, their packing at Corbin is top notch, guys. I mean, they had so much foam and protection around this thing. The box was just solid as a rock. I love it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull the plastic off. So you can see it's all custom made. It even says Grom down here. Rock solid, but check it out. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So what I did is I went with a silver on the side, like carbon fiber silver look, because I wanted the silver here to kind of match it. I wanted their typical black leather on top. Then I went with a diamond pattern stitched with yellow, of course. And then I went with the actual red piping back here because, of course, you got the calipers are red. You also got like the little switches on your actual brake levers are red, and of course the kill switch is red. So I figured it would be a nice little just accent to put that little bit of piping on there. And man, I'm so glad I did. And of course you can pick out the color that you want a Corbin written in there, and everything is customizable with Corbin. Yes, it's a little bit expensive. I think it was like $363, but it was worth every single penny. I mean, this looks gorgeous, and I cannot wait to get out there and ride it. Again, I'll be doing a motor vlog here at the end. So let's go ahead and get it on the bike without beating around the bush. Take it outside and do some walk around video of it, show it to you, but it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, and I can't wait to get my butt on it. No one of those double bumps, anything. It actually looks like it's wider, too. It actually looks like it's wider, so it's kind of more of a cushy, like seat on it versus the other one. So, all right, I'll see you in a second. We're going to go ahead and put it on, take it outside, and have some fun. Oh, that's so sexy. Oh my gosh. Look at this seat. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. It matches. And again, you're getting to pay, when you pay these higher numbers, you're paying for quality. You're paying for all the customization that we have here. Everything just looks like it's just top notch. It's gorgeous. Everything matches the bike just the way I want it to. And you can definitely see it's a wider thing. And I'll be able to tell you that here on the moto vlog here in a minute when I actually ride it. But the actual motorcycle seat looks a lot wider. I'm going to go ahead and sit on this sucker. I got to sit on and try it out. Oh, it feels just so much better. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see me, but oh wow. It is. It's wider here on the butt section here. It's so much more comfortable. There's none of that digging right here in the back that it used to just dig into with the stock seat. Oh, this is going to be great to ride. Oh, this is going to make a huge difference. Like on the Tampa ride, we went to Melbourne and stuff. I couldn't do more in about 30 minutes before I was just starting to do this and trying to lean forward and get my butt off it. And then I would start sitting back here on the back hump like that just because I couldn't sit in the main seat. This makes a huge difference. Oh my God, $363 or whatever it was to get this kind of beautiful looks and hand craftsmanship made in the USA. I've got no problem with it. I know some people are on here who can't afford it, and I understand that. But if you are absolutely dying, give them a shot. Remember, it's a million different colors. You can just customize exactly the way you want it. They even called on the phone and confirmed to make sure everything was right before they did it. So let's go ahead, take it on the motor vlog, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit.